Starting my in-flight skincare routine with a glass of champagne, and I just want to say I'm so privileged to be able to fly business for this trip, but whether I'm flying business or economy, my skincare routine stays the same. I always start off with toner pads or exfoliating pads to cleanse my skin, then mist, and then I try to be hands-free as much as possible, so I love the stick to moisturize my skin and my neck. Then I'm taking these CBD gummies so I can pass the F out. After about 30 minutes, it was really loud, so then I just went in with eye mask and these patches that my mom is using. These are melatonin patches that apparently help to hydrate and brighten your skin. And this is when I woke up after like a few hours, clearly so disheveled, but these patches stayed on and stayed hydrated. Then I'm locking everything in with a moisturizer sample because it's almost ready to get off my flight. I'm using an eye cream to depuff. Once again, I love carrying these kinds of eye creams because they're hands-free and I can just do massages with it. I took a red eye, so it's going to be 7:30 in the morning when I land, so going in with sunscreen, so I'm going to be fully protected when I land.